Where are we heading to today? That's right, Subway. And today we're going to try these new potato bun sandwiches. That's right, the bread is potato buns. They're just mini. Got a turkey and an Italian. Look quite small, but look tasty. Let's give them a try. They have these new potato buns, and they are quite small, as you can see. My hand and the bun. They used to have ones like this. They weren't potato buns, but they were, I believe, 4-inch rounds. Years ago, I remember. These look like they're maybe 2-inch rounds, something like that. Well, this is the Italian. So there's Italian dressing, Italian meats, cheese, and yeah, so I guess the big thing is the potato bun. Let's give it a try. So it's pepperoni, salami, I believe that's it. 2 little rounds. This is the meat. These are just snack size. As you can see, quite small. This one's good, tastes good. And I like the bun. Nice and soft. I got it toasted. That's not bad. So you get two for $5, or $2.99. A couple of them are $2.99. A couple of them are. There's 4 different kinds you can get, and 2 or 3 $49 for some reason, and the Chipotle chicken one, and the turkey ranch something was $3.49, but 2 for $5, so might as well go for that deal. Let's finish this up and then head on over to the turkey one. So again, not very big. Definitely need 2. But for $5, it's not bad. But if you want to get full, you probably need to buy 4. That's going to cost $10, so might want to just get a regular sub. So this one is the turkey ranch, savory ranch or something like that. So I just put cucumber, lettuce, and then the ranch dressing on it. Toasted potato bun. Nothing too special with this one. I like the other one better. So they also have the Chipotle chicken. And off the top of my head, I can't remember the 4th one. This one's good, but definitely the garlic aioli Italian was better. So overall, again, they're not big. Good for a snack. But I do like the potato buns. 2 for $5. I'm going to finish this up. And luckily this was not my lunch or dinner, so it was a snack. So yeah, just thought I'd try out these new potato bun sandwiches at Subway. All right, that's it for this review. We'll check you out on another one soon.